Itina wa Muandiki Munene wa chama cha ODM Edwin Sifuna kumudhulwa kuma mwanyani wake muthenyani wa iyoo nzama nene ya chama kinek yu seneta uwa kaundi ya ilovi atwiikitwe ni imwe sya ndongoi kuma kyamani cha ODM niwalulumiilya kana nowe Muandiki Munene wa ODM na ni memba wa chama ki na ndeisa kutelemw'a kindu asembe na kutia chama ki Munini wa Mutongoi wa ODM seneta wa Vihiga Godfrey Osotsi na ula ukukwata mbau Sifuna ni waweta mawali kyamani ki makayetu kwisira usakwani wa amemba onde ma ODM kana NDC indi tikwisila nzia sya Itina mwaka mweu ni wavivithya ingewa na atuma.
Muthenya umwe Itina wa nzama nene ya chama cha ODM kumukuthwa Edwin Sifuna mwanyani wa Muandiki Munene wa chama chu. Sifuna ni waweta kanaendea na kuithiwa Muandiki Munene wa chama ki muvaka ila usakwani ukatwewe ni memba ma chama chu.
No time have I been informed of any allegations against me, be they of indiscipline, insubordination or incompetence in the execution of my duties as the Secretary General. Neither have I been invited to respond to any complaints in and out of the party on any matter that would constitute grounds for removal of a Secretary General. I leave it to the party members to judge if this really is the path that the Right Honorable Raila Odinga had set for us. Just 4 months after his death, we can all agree that Raila must be turning in his grave.
Sifuna atianite na tongo yangi kyamani ki cha ODM ni waweta kanala manosi ya matambia mako kumvetanga mwanyani wa Muandiki Munene tamake kwithia iwane ndongoi silikalini na ndeisa kukia kindu indi endea kwithiwa memba wa chama cha ODM.
Remain a loyal member and the duly elected Secretary General of the ODM party. I remain committed to the struggle for a fair, just and democratic Kenya. Internal differences in opinion go. My only crime is that I have refused and I oppose any plans and schemes within the party to support President William Ruto's re-election, because I have held and continue to hold the firm position that this country cannot afford another 5 years of this expensive, divisive, incompetent and disastrous Ruto misadventure.
Ndongoi inge na ila sio kwa mbau Sifuna nisi aweta kana seneta Sifuna niwa ukwende ya kwithiwa Muandiki Munene wa chama ki na vala mamukathi ya kwa thukumi museo maitula moti President William Ruto kwa kwenda kumina ODM.
Kenyans in this nation, these are the only crimes that we are committing, and I want to assure you that we are going to fight. The war has been done, the war has been declared, a line has been drawn. If you are on our side, you are on our side. If you are on the other side, fight on the other side. But this is not going to stop anytime soon.
I want to call upon the membership of this party to stand firm and resist the efforts by President William Ruto to hostilely take over this party. We will not allow him.
We are here to declare war. There is a coup that has happened in ODM. In olden days, coup plotters were supposed to have been stoned to death. Coup plotters were stoned to death. But we are in a democracy. That's why the SG is going to use the right legal channel.
Kavindane kau ni uvucho kwa Sifuna Itina wa nzama ya kuthinikia mathina masyama kululumiilya kana Sifuna nowe ukwende ya kwithiwa Muandiki Munene wa chama cha ODM ilivotia vilingi wa movo nitoa mwaka mweu.